Hello, babies. Good evening to all. Welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to learn the numbers 1 to 20. Let's use these colors: yellow color, pink color, blue color, orange color, purple color. Let's start the video, kids. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Let's revise, kids. 1 teddy bear. 2 dolls. 3 balls. 4 rubber ducks. 5 buckets. 6 staking rings. 7 airplanes. 8 alarm clocks. 9 bags. 10 cupcakes. 11 rocking horses. 12 bow ties. 13 hot air balloons. 14 Christmas caps. 15 tops. 16 burgers. 17 kites. 18 oranges. 19 soft toys. 20 ice cream cones. Okay, kids, please like, share and subscribe. Follow for more.